So I was 29 when I found the lump, and I brought it up to my OBGYN, and she misdiagnosed me, and then I went to a surgeon. He said, no, it looks absolutely fine. There's nothing you need to worry about. So another year went by. So
the first time, I was like, there's no way. I'm healthy, I'm 30. I'd never heard of anyone younger.
I got a phone call from my GP, and she was like, the results from your biopsy came back, and they're not awesome.
Finally, like a random doctor that I had just scheduled with ordered the full workup of a mammogram, ultrasound. He said, who told you this was fine? And I said, well, 2 doctors. He's like, it is all over your entire left breast. And it started like pea size. And so then I was just in disbelief, you know.
The second time I got diagnosed was the same thing. There's no way I have stage 4 metastatic. I wouldn't choose to have had cancer twice, but I see a difference of having it when I was 30 and then at 40. I've a decade more of tools to cope with a diagnosis like that, you know?
Working with gratitude in my mind, just seeking out the positive in everyone I meet and everything, and just seeing the good sides of things, it just changes your mindset. It got me through it, so that's soul food.
Food brings me joy, so that's also part of my mental health.
I mean, if anything, with the nutrition and the food adjustments, there are no side effects. Maybe it won't cure cancer, sure, but can I counter the drugs that's wreaking havoc on my body? What can I do with my diet to kind of replenish the nutrients that are lost in this process? What harm is it to try something healthy and natural and that could potentially and probably will better you, you know? Seeing all of the women on this retreat and hearing their stories and knowing that I'm not alone, and of course there's hope, and that we can still appreciate and enjoy our lives without any of the fear of the future or a what if or whatever.
One foot in front of the other, and as I was going up, 1 foot in front of the other, just go slow. I guess that's kind of it, right? Just 1 foot in front of the other and just keep going.
Yes! It's super emotional. I'm like, I'm still me. I love you! I'm still me.
We've all had different journeys, and we all have come here in a common thread. It's helped us all kind of remember that we're just all slowing down a little bit in life, and it gives us all an opportunity to live. This reminds us to live.